Running out of steam. Understanding this expressive English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting English expression, running out of steam. This phrase is packed with meaning and is used quite frequently in both casual and formal conversations. Understanding it will not only expand your vocabulary but also enhance your comprehension of English in different contexts. Let's get started. Running out of steam originally comes from the era of steam engines. These engines would literally run out of steam if they didn't have enough water to heat and create steam, causing them to lose power and eventually stop. In modern language, we use this phrase metaphorically to describe a situation where someone is losing their energy or motivation to continue doing something. It's not just about physical tiredness. It can also refer to losing momentum in activities, projects, or even conversations. To help you understand how to use this phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. After running the marathon for 3 hours, I finally ran out of steam and had to slow down. Physical exhaustion. 2. Our team was working hard on the project, but by the end of the week, we all ran out of steam. Loss of motivation or energy in a task. 3. The debate was intense at first, but eventually, both sides ran out of steam, and the discussion ended. Losing momentum in a conversation or argument. These examples show that running out of steam can be applied in various scenarios, from physical activities to mental or emotional states. Now that you know what it means and have seen some examples, let's talk about how to incorporate running out of steam into your conversations. This phrase is very versatile and can be used in both casual and more formal settings. However, it's often used to express a personal state, so it's more commonly found in informal conversations. For example, when talking to friends about a long day, "I can't go out tonight. I've completely run out of steam after today's work." In a work or study group when feeling overwhelmed, "Let's take a break. I think we're all running out of steam." Remember, using idiomatic expressions like this one makes your English sound more natural and fluent. And that's a wrap on running out of steam. We hope this video has energized your English learning journey and hasn't left you feeling like you're running out of steam yourself. This phrase is a great addition to your conversational toolkit, helping you express feelings of exhaustion or a dip in motivation in a way that's both colorful and relatable. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use it next time you're feeling a bit low on energy. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.